Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing money in your account without doing any work while you slept. Sounds impossible, right? But in 2025, earning money while you sleep is not only possible, it's easier than ever, and you don't need a single dollar to start. Today, I'm going to show you real, practical ways to make passive income online that can start generating cash immediately. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up income streams that work 24/7, even while you focus on your life or hobbies. Section 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to earn passive income online. And it's perfect for beginners because it requires zero upfront investment. The idea is simple. You promote a product or service using a unique affiliate link, and when someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale allow anyone to sign up for free, and you don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. The key is to focus on a niche or products you know well. For instance, if you love tech gadgets, create content like reviews, tutorials, or top 10 lists. Share these on blogs, social media, or even TikTok. The more people see your content, the more potential clicks and sales you generate. Over time, your links can create a reliable stream of passive income that grows without continuous effort. Consistency is important. Regularly posting content builds trust with your audience and increases your chances of earning more commissions. Think of affiliate marketing as setting up a digital sales machine. Once it's running, it works for you 24/7, turning your recommendations and content into money while you sleep. Section 2. Print on demand and digital products. Another highly effective way to earn money passively is through print-on-demand products and digital goods. Print-on-demand platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Etsy allow you to sell physical items such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or posters without ever handling inventory or shipping. You create a design once, upload it, and every sale generates profit automatically. Digital products work similarly. Items like ebooks, templates, planners, and graphics can be created once and sold repeatedly. Free tools like Canva make it easy for anyone to design professional-looking products, even without prior experience. The key is to identify a niche or trending product type and make your listings attractive with clear descriptions and visuals. Once your products are live, they continue to sell and generate income around the clock. Over time, this can become a significant source of passive income, requiring minimal effort to maintain. You can even scale by adding new designs regularly or creating variations to attract more buyers. This strategy allows your creativity and ideas to literally pay off while you sleep, giving you freedom and financial growth without upfront investment or ongoing daily work. Section 3. YouTube automation, short videos. YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms for generating passive income in 2025, especially with the rise of short-form content and automation tools. You don't even need to show your face. Faceless channels are becoming increasingly popular. The process involves creating videos on trending topics, tutorials or compilations, and monetizing them with ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and AI voiceovers make it possible to produce high-quality videos quickly without filming anything yourself. Once a video is live, it can continue generating revenue for months or even years. Uploading consistently is essential because more videos mean more opportunities to earn passive income. Even if your initial videos don't make much, they contribute to a growing library that works for you automatically. You can also repurpose older content or optimize videos for SEO to increase views and income over time. By leveraging YouTube automation, your channel becomes a 24/7 money-making machine, allowing you to earn while focusing on new projects or even sleeping. This method combines creativity with technology to create long-term financial growth. Section 4. Freelancing and selling skills. Freelancing doesn't have to be purely active work. It can also lead to passive income if you sell reusable digital assets. Platforms like Fiverr, Gumroad, and Upwork allow you to sell services as well as products like templates, ebooks, guides, or online courses. For example, A graphic designer could create a pack of social media templates. A writer could sell a niche guide or ebook. And a video editor could sell pre-made video intros or animations. Once these products are created and uploaded, they continue to sell automatically without additional effort. Focus on in-demand niches. Ensure your products are high quality and optimize listings for visibility. Over time, your portfolio of digital products can generate recurring revenue, turning your knowledge, skills, or hobbies into a true passive income stream. This approach allows you to earn money without constantly trading time for cash, giving you freedom to scale and explore other opportunities while your products sell themselves in the background. Section 5. Using AI tools to boost income. Finally, AI is a total game changer in 2025 for generating passive income. With artificial intelligence, you can create content, design graphics, write scripts, and even automate marketing or social media campaigns, saving you countless hours of work. Tools like ChatGPT allow you to produce blogs, ebooks, YouTube scripts, and social media captions in just minutes, eliminating the need to spend days writing manually. Meanwhile, platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate professional quality digital images for products, websites, or online courses, giving your projects a sharp, polished, and market-ready look. Automation tools such as Zapier, Make, or Buffer can then schedule posts, emails, and promotions, ensuring your content reaches the right audience consistently without any manual effort. By combining these AI tools, you can scale faster, increase productivity, and maximize your passive income streams without hiring a team or investing significant money. Once your AI-assisted projects are live, they continue generating revenue around the clock, essentially earning for you 24/7. Strategically using AI allows you to work smarter instead of harder, automate repetitive tasks, and turn your knowledge, creativity, or products into a continuous source of income. In short, AI acts as your personal assistant, making it easier than ever to earn money while you sleep. Section 6. Membership and subscription platforms. A great passive income method in 2025 is creating a membership or subscription platform. With sites like Patreon, Substack, and Ko-fi, you can earn recurring monthly income by offering exclusive content, digital downloads, private communities, or early access to your work. It costs nothing to start, and once your membership is set up, payments come in automatically. The more value you provide, the more members you attract, and the more stable your monthly income becomes. Over time, this recurring revenue grows with your audience, allowing you to earn consistently, even while you sleep. Thanks for watching. Now you know 6 ways to earn money while you sleep in 2025 without any investment. Start applying these methods today. Stay consistent and watch your passive income grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click on these videos next to learn even more ways to make money online.